In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Wix with Zoho forms by embedding a Zoho form directly into your Wix website. First, log in to your Zoho Forms account. Once you're inside the dashboard, open the form you want to add to your Wix site. At the top, click on the Share tab. From the available options, go to Permalink. You'll see a unique URL for your form. This is the link you'll use to embed it. Copy that permalink. Next, head over to your Wix account and open the Wix editor for the site where you want the form to appear. On the left side of the editor, click the Add button marked with a plus icon. From the menu, select Embed, then choose Embed a site. You'll now see a field asking for a website address. Paste the Zoho Forms permalink you copied earlier into this field and click Apply. Your Zoho form will instantly appear on the page. You can resize or reposition it to fit your layout just like any other Wix element. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoho Forms into your Wix website. This setup makes it easy to collect leads, registrations, or feedback directly from your site without any complex coding. Thanks for watching and happy building.